giggles.
5 little ducks went out one day over the pond and far. There was a happy puppy, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Far away, Mama Duck called quack, quack. Come back, but only 4 came waddling back. 5 little ducks, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks, come back.